got you. I'm Hank. Welcome to Hamiltonville Farm. Man, today's probably the funnest video I've ever made on the channel, Wiley. To be honest with you.
Well, I hope so.
Oh yeah, it's going to be awesome. What we're going to do is we're going to take this skidder, we're going to hook it to this knuckle boom loader here, and we're going to get down the road with it. But Wiley is actually going to do all the work, so that's why it's fun for me.
Right. Well, we do have to have some batteries put in this.
Oh.
You got your crescent wrench?
I do have a crescent wrench.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, this is going to be super cool. Now, so we're going to relocate it, and it's actually going to give a potential buyer a better vantage point because we're going to move it to a location where they can walk around it, crawl around it, and all that good stuff. So if you're interested in this, I'll put Wiley's email across the bottom of the screen here, and y'all can contact him. And if you're interested in a 648 or a Prentice 210D knuckle boom loader, and let's get started. Let's move it.
Let's do it.
All right.
You don't see very many fuel house caps like that anymore.
Prentice quit making those back in '76, I think.
Yeah, I wonder what kind of Gatorade bottle that was. Was it an ocean blue or ruby red?
Get out here so you don't splash my eyes.
Yeah, please. After the wrench episode yesterday, I need some payback. This is the key for this particular loader. Now let's see what we got here. Nothing. I might have had it throttled up a little high for the first tanking. You want to get the way the tires look on the other side?
Yeah, let's take a look at the tires.
Dealing with.
They're all round on this side. Let's take a look at this other side. They'll roll.
Well, I don't know if we can patch that or not.
You got a patch kit in your truck?
Looks like it was pulled flat. This one would probably air up.
Yeah.
But we're not going to worry about that today.
Okay.
We're going with it.
Let's send it.
It wouldn't be fun if we didn't try it.
You know what? I mean, what would you leave a comment on if it wasn't for that?
Always remember, if you hear sirens, wait till you have a lawyer present. I don't know why they don't have a step
Closer to the battery.
to the battery. That's like you don't never have to get back here.
Monkey man over here.
Dude,
Once or twice.
let's put this right here. I thought you said this was going to be easy.
Listen, that's why we start early in the morning, so it's not 5,000 degrees when we're doing.
When you was in the Air Force, Hank, and y'all flew, did y'all have jumper cables in there? So
Yeah, they oddly enough you can.
so when you jumped out, they would tangle up and keep you from falling.
I love it. I absolutely love it. We made it. Oh! Woo! You did it, buddy.
Wow.
We went and got water and fuel. So we're gonna get the battery off this one. There's a 548 in there that we cranked in another video. If you haven't seen that one, go check it out. We're gonna get that skidder, and then we're gonna drive all the way back to where this equipment was, pick up another skidder and drag it back to right here. It's quite the fun. Cue the clown music. Got some elderly gentleman here getting grass off the right of way. There's the skidder we're going to get.
Check the water.
I haven't.
Yeah, I'd say it needs it.
Worried about that tire right there. Well, we come into a little issue. How slack that tire is right there. So we got to go get an air compressor. But that is not going to happen today. If we happen to come back and get that other piece on video, I'll make another video of that. But at least you got to see the skidder and the knuckle boom loader getting relocated, I guess you'd say. They'll come back and then hopefully air up this tire and get her done. Guys, thanks for watching. Take care. God bless.